welcome back to the channel. So I just made it back home from vacation, and on the way there, wasn't able to do a video of this while I was there, but on the way there I stopped to see if I could find my little mini FPV drone that I lost in a previous video, if you guys watched it, where I crashed it trying to film that UFO house or whatever it was, the orange round thing. But yeah, so I went on the way over there. I stopped, and I knew the area, like a circle in the area of where it had to be, and there happened to be several houses in that area. So I started knocking on a few doors just to see if anybody had happened to see it. And the third house I knocked on, they had found it and told me they found it and just gave it back to me. It was so cool, guys. I was super happy. I told them that as soon as I get doing better off, I was going to stop and give them some money, give them a reward for finding it for me. So that'll be cool. But yeah, guys, I got my Holybro Kopis Mini back, and I think it's still going to work. I haven't tried it yet, but it's not really broken anywhere or anything. Everything looks good on it. The battery got smashed real bad, but it still charges, and there's no ruptures anywhere, so I'm going to keep using it. And then I got my GoPro back. This was the best thing about it, is getting this back, because this is a $400 camera. The screen's cracked even more, but it's still working. So, and the good thing is, and that's what this video is about, the good thing is I got the memory card back. So we're going to check out the crash footage from that crash. So here in a minute, I got one more thing to say. We're going to roll that crash footage. And then after the crash footage, I wanted to show you guys some fireworks video that I took with my Mavic 2 Pro last night on the 4th of July. So let's check it out, guys. First, it's going to be the crash from the Holybro Kopis Mini. And then after that, we're going to check out some fireworks from my Mavic 2 Pro. And I got some close-up shots, guys. It's pretty awesome. So here we go. Let's check out that footage and see what it's all about. I'll see you guys at the end of the video. that's gonna do it for the 4th of July footage I got, and then the crash footage from the GoPro. Let me know what you guys think about it down below, and hopefully everybody had a happy 4th of July. And make sure you're subscribed and commenting on the videos, because I'm getting ready to start doing giveaways. As soon as I hit 500 subscribers, I'm gonna start. I got a bunch of stuff in there that I was gonna start selling online, and I've decided to just start giving it away on YouTube. And I'll show you guys. I'm gonna do a special video on the. Once I hit 500 subscribers, I'm gonna do a special video on the giveaways and how I'm gonna do it and everything. And yeah, I still got that car over there too, that Tamiya. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a random giveaway on that Tamiya. But that's a separate deal. I'm talking about the stuff I have in here in my office. When I hit 500 subscribers, I'm gonna start giving an item away. For every time I hit another 100 subscribers, I'm gonna give something away. Every time I hit another 100 subscribers, give something away again. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video.